Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Go 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and today I want to show you here how to unpair this speaker from all currently connected devices. And so the process that we go through here in order to do that is called the factory reset. So currently I have my iPhone here connected to the speaker, and in order to perform the factory reset now, you have to press and hold here first the plus button and also the Bluetooth button. I'm going to press and hold both buttons here, and we're going to do this at the same time, and then we just keep holding it until the speaker eventually shuts down. So that's what you just heard, and so this was the factory reset, and the speaker has forgotten about all devices that it was previously paired to. Now the next time you're going to turn on your speaker here, you Go 3, it's going to automatically switch into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You see this by this blinking LED and also the sound. And when I'm trying to reconnect here with my phone, it is telling me that this is not possible anymore and the phone has to forget about the device. So meaning I have to repair this Bluetooth speaker here to my phone. So I can quickly do that here. The JBL Go 3 is there on the bottom, reconnecting, and now this phone is the only device that's now paired to the speaker. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, please write a message below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about this speaker.